This is the premium individual first aid kit from MediTac. It comes with a large MOLLE-compatible carrying pouch, which can be attached to any tactical backpacks for quick and easy access. It's a high-quality and professional kit that contains so much more than Band-Aids. It can definitely save lives in emergency situations. I'm gonna try out all of its components in this video. There are 10 items. Triangular bandage, compressed gauze, both from ER, sponges and bandages, a pair of shears, the 6-inch Israeli bandage, the HyFIN vent, chest seal, 2-pack, a CAD tourniquet that can be rapidly deployed to stop bleeding, a trauma pack from Adventure Medical Kits. It contains a wide range of medical supplies, a pair of gloves, a 24-inch padded aluminum splint. Let's try out the triangular bandage first. It is pretty big when fully expanded. Although it is pretty thin with see-through material, it's actually pretty durable. I won't be able to easily tear it up. There are 2 safety pins included in this package. I use it to stitch it together so it will stay in this compact form. The next one is the compressed gauze. It is 4.5 by 4.1 yards. It's an essential item for any medical kit and can be used to control hemorrhage in conjunction with a compression bandage. The 3rd pack has a lot of small items, including sterile gauze sponges, adhesive bandages of different sizes. It can be used for cleaning the injury area or for protecting or covering up little wounds. The Shears has an impressive performance. I'm gonna do a few cutting tests. First of all, the Amazon packaging cardboard. A t-shirt, folded up, 4 layers. No problem at all. The cuts are clean. A vacuum sealed Israeli bandage. I found another vacuum sealed package inside. The emergency bandage consolidates numerous treatment equipment into a single unit and provided in one device. There are a few interesting design details, such as this little hook, for locking it in position. This is the instruction of use. I got a little helper so I can try it out. It's good to get some practice before the injury happens, right? However, once opened, it's no longer sterile. I may need to get a new one. The CAD tourniquet, aka Combat Application Tourniquet. It's a one-hand device that can stop bleeding when used, for example, on my arm. It feels very effective once tightened. I hope I never have to use it, but it doesn't hurt to get some practice. A pair of gloves. The second pair is in the trauma pack, which hasn't been opened yet. Padded aluminum splint. My son is an expert in survival kits, so I will let him do the demo. Splints or half casts provide less support than casts. However, splints can be adjusted to accommodate swelling from injuries easier than enclosed casts. I'm sure it can be reused. The trauma pack contains 11 items, which are listed in the back. The package can be resealed. Some items are similar to the ones I showed before, such as this triangular bandage. Another gauze cannot have enough gauze rows. It's an essential. Another pair of gloves. A duct tape. When something moves and not supposed to, use duct tape. Sterile sponges, 4x4. another 2 by 2 inches, a trauma pad, quick clot that stops bleeding 5 times faster for temporary external use, some great reading material about how to apply a tourniquet, and some basic trauma procedures. The HyFIN Vent Chest Seal is a self-adhesive occlusive dressing designed specifically for the management of casualties with penetrating chest wounds. The HyFIN utilizes the latest specialized adhesive technology in order to maintain a superior seal under the most adverse conditions. The gauze is included for cleaning the injury area. It is used to treat the life-threatening tension pneumothorax. The initial management of an open or sucking chest wound is to immediately apply an occlusive dressing to cover the defect and secure it in place. The inclusion of such product is a great addition to the first aid kit. Although some products has been opened and decompressed, they still fit in this large pouch. Overall, this is a fantastic kit with classic essentials with new additions that allows me to treat an even wider range of injuries and emergencies. It is definitely the premium version of a regular individual first aid kit that provides a more complete first aid experience. It's a really nice to have or a must-have for hunting, hiking, camping, vehicle emergencies, and everyday preparedness.